This is the Xiaomi 12T, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So the first step that you need to take is to make sure that your smartphone is connected to the Wi-Fi. Then you gotta launch the Play Store app. After that, at the search bar type in Opera, then click on the green install button and wait for the Opera app to get downloaded and installed respectively. After the security scan has been performed, launch the Opera. We gotta also undergo a very simple setup procedure while opening the app for the first time. So click on the blue continue button, choose whether you would like to set Opera as your default browser app. I'll simply skip this step and then either customize the permissions and access that you're going to grant to Opera, or simply allow everything that it needs and start using the application. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.